We will discuss the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2025. Number 5, SQL. Structured Query Language, SQL, is crucial for managing and manipulating databases, which is essential for data analysis and web applications. Number 4, C++. A powerful, high-performance language, C++ is used in game development, system programming, and high-performance applications. Number 3, Java. A well-established, object-oriented language, Java is widely used in enterprise software, Android development, and backend services, offering job security and opportunities. Number 2, JavaScript. Essential for front-end web development, JavaScript is also used for back-end development with Node.js, and it powers interactive web applications. Number 1, Python. A versatile, high-level language, Python is popular for data science, web development, AI, and automation, making it a strong choice for various applications.